Did you know that eating certain foods with cinnamon could harm your health? Cinnamon, known as a natural insulin, needs to be paired correctly to be beneficial. Eating it with incompatible foods can be detrimental. Here are 3 foods that pair worst with cinnamon and 3 that pair best. Information, everyone. What if there was a food that was good for diabetes, burns visceral fat? So it's great for losing weight, prevents colds by blocking viruses and protecting the lungs, and even has amazing anti-disease effects. What if it also prevented aging and kept you young? Even if it was expensive and didn't taste good, you definitely want to find and eat it right. The food I'm going to introduce today is delicious. Moreover, it is affordable, making it cost-effective. Today's star is called a divine blessing cinnamon. Recently, it has been reported that cinnamon is good for brain health and is being developed as a preventive treatment for brain damages. In fact, just smelling cinnamon can boost cognitive abilities and concentration more than any brain health exercise, proving it to be highly effective in preventing brain damages. Even just with cinnamon scent. But did you know that even a healthy food like cinnamon can be harmful to your health if eaten with certain foods? Now let's find out together the 3 worst food combinations with cinnamon that can hinder disease prevention and the 3 best combinations for optimal health benefits. The first worst combination food with cinnamon is beverages like tea and lattes. Beverages like tea and lattes, and in dishes such as cinnamon rolls and bread, especially popular in the fall. While cinnamon has digestive benefits and is often used in digestive aids, many commercial cinnamon drinks contain unhealthy additives like brown sugar and artificial colors. These additives can raise blood sugar levels and include carcinogenic substances. For a healthier option, make cinnamon beverages at home using trusted sweeteners. First, the best combination with cinnamon is honey. I recommend you today, as earlier, I mentioned the dangers of brown sugar in cinnamon beverages. Instead, you can consume cinnamon with honey. Did you know that cinnamon is excellent for boosting your health? It contains 41 antioxidant compounds that prevent the formation of mutant and illness-causing cells. When combined with honey, the antioxidants in cinnamon create tremendous synergy, especially strengthening the heart. This combination helps remove cholesterol and triglycerides from the arteries, making the heartbeat stronger and improving the delivery of oxygen and nutrients. The second worst food to pair with cinnamon is dried dates. Dried dates are a common ingredient in cinnamon beverages, but it's crucial to use fresh dates, not dried ones. Cinnamon, known as natural insulin, is effective against diabetes, affecting nearly 700 million people worldwide. Its polyphenol compounds mimic insulin, lowering blood sugar and boosting muscle energy. However, dried dates have high sugar content, which negates these benefits. To fully benefit from cinnamon, pair it with fresh dates. The second best food that paired perfectly with cinnamon is consuming ginger. Consuming ginger and cinnamon together can help alleviate issues related to weakened immunity, colds, body aches, knee pain, arthritis, and neuralgia. Cinnamon's phenol compounds act as natural antioxidants, effectively reducing chronic inflammations and providing pain relief. Ginger's gingerol not only sterilizes inflammation, but also detoxifies blood clots and carcinogens. Both ginger and cinnamon have warming properties, but their combination enhances blood circulation, expels internal heat, and improves skin health by preventing bacterial growth. Finally revealed, the third best combination with cinnamon is apple. Many of you probably enjoy sprinkling cinnamon on your apple pie, and you're doing it right. Cinnamon significantly reduces brain damage and improves symptoms of neurological diseases like Parkinson's.